All right, guys. One more video. This is the WWE 2018 Top Heritage Trading Cards Macho Man Randy Savage Tribute Card inside. This is another special gift I got for Christmas. Like I said, people knows what I like to do, what I'm about. So, with that said, here we go. It says collect all coins. Look for exclusive WWE coins. I didn't know they had coins in here. I hope they do. That'd be pretty cool. Start a coin collection of the WWE superstars. Alright, so I guess with this pack we know where the relic, so we'll leave that for the end. Make them even, so we start here. Alright, and we got Oscar, Kofi Kingston, Nia Jax, the Maharaja. We got an Ultimate Warrior and Alundra Blaze. All right, Sami Zayn. I guess he's coming back, and he's coming back. Sheamus, The Rock. I guess this is Brown Xavier Woods, Honky Tonk Man, Lita, Maria Kanellis, Jey Uso. This is like a tribute card, Hall of Fame, whatever. That's your boy Ric Flair. Heath Slater, I Have Kids. Referee, Bret the Human Heart. Ted DiBiase. We got Xavier Woods, Bailey Kay, Taylor Bate, The Shield, Roddy Piper, Nature Boy Ric Flair. Woo! Right. We got Mela is Money, Bobby Roode, Scott Dawson, I guess a Rock Bronze, the Kurt Dean Malenko, 1,000 Moves Finishers, and Greg the Hammer Valentine. Alright, Liv Morgan, Nikki Bella, Seth Rollins, Sami Zayn's Bronze, Dusty Rose, and Andre the Giant. Alright, we got Kerry Sane, NXT, Tommaso Ciampa, I can never pronounce him, Mustafa Ali. I guess I believe he made the roster now. Alright, we got a Billy Kay Bronze. We got Mick Foley, Mankind, Cactus Jack, and Kerry Van Erich. Alright, we got Luke Gallo, Jeff Hardy, another Hall of Fame Ric Flair. We got the Heavy Machinery, Cowboy Bob Orton, Randy Orton's father, and Bam Bam Bigelow. Alright, we got the Brian Kendricks, Undertaker, Bobby Roode, Breezango, Nikolai Volkov, and another Erich, Kevin Von Erich. Alright, we got Bobby Fish, Cassius, I forget. Mojo Riley, Sheamus Bronze. We got Irvin Arsheister, aka Mike Rotundo, George the Animal Steel. Alright guys, so we're down to our relic card for our 2018 Heritage Edition. Alright. And if I get somebody like Alexa Bliss, Penta Royce, Mandy Rose, I'll be a happy man going into 2019. So what do we have right here? Alright, we have, I guess, the Macho Man tribute card. And our relic is, are you serious? Are you freaking serious? Baron Corbin, bronze with a chair, table, ladders, and chairs. 96 of 99. Baron Corbin chair card, TLC. But it's a bronze though, so. Alright, so not too bad, not too bad. And this is 23 of 40. Macho Man card. Alright, so not what I wanted, but it's all good. It's all good. Hope you guys enjoy. To the next video, guys. Can't see me.